Welcome back to another CVS haul. Today I did 3 transactions at one store in one trip. Okay, I went out to my car, put my things down, but 3 transactions. Now, why did I do this? How did I do this? So a little different today. I used my dad's account. He gave me permission. I saw his receipt on the kitchen table and it had all these reward bucks and $4 off your purchase. And I knew it's the Epic Beauty sale right now, which is 10 off of 25. So I said, hey, do you care if I use your account? And he was like, go for it. So I went ahead and did it, and I won't do it all the time, but I went ahead and did it just to use the reward bucks and the Epic Beauty sale. I don't have his app. I don't have his coupons to clip. He's not a techie guy, and I don't want to mess up my personal account, so I did not clip like $1 off Nivea or $2 off Dove. Wasn't able to do that, so I definitely missed out on some sales. I don't know how other couponers manage multiple accounts. I don't want to overstep and mess up. So anyway, let's just jump right into it. On my first trip, I got these 3 items. I've been needing some eyeshadow. I don't know if mine's bad and expired. I've been getting migraines from wearing makeup sometimes, like eye makeup. And so I want to kind of start fresh with new brushes and new eyeshadow. So I got this Maybelline eyeshadow. It was originally priced at $8.59. I got this little lip balm. I thought this could be a stocking stuffer for my kids in the future, a birthday gift, or one of my nieces, you know, that sort of thing. It was $4.99. So on Maybelline, I got over the $12 threshold to get 4 reward bucks back. Okay, so I spent over 12 on that. And then I got a Neutrogena. This is a makeup removing, like a little pump. I like that. I'm not very good at removing my makeup, so I thought I would give this a go. This was $11.79, and the Neutrogena deal, I believe, was spend 10, get 5 reward bucks back. So I'm already getting $9 in reward bucks back. Now, what did I have to use? So I spent $25.37 on this. I got $10 off for the Epic Beauty sale. Spend $25, get $10 off. So minus 10. Then on my dad's paper coupons that I was able to print out, there was a $4 off your purchase and a $2 reward bucks. The $4 off your purchase would not work. It was messing up the 25. I didn't think that was a thing. Maybe it is. So I could only use the $2 reward bucks. So we did 10 off and then 2 off. With tax and everything, I paid $14.31 cash. That stung a little bit, but it set me up to roll. Okay, so I wish I had a gift card or something like that to make that sting a little less, but also $14 for 3 makeup-y type items. Not a bad deal. Again, we're gonna roll it though, okay? Transaction number 2, we got some Nivea body wash. This is huge, 30 ounces. Original price on this is $10.49. It was on sale today for $8.99, and if you bought one, only one, you got 4 reward bucks back, okay? So I liked that. Then on these, I had tried ringing one up in my first original, and I messed up. Basically, I had to redo it. And he told me they were buy one, get one free. It was not marked that, but I got it. So now I knew in my head, okay, get the files. I need some files. One of these was $3.29, and like I said, it was buy one, get one free. So my total at the register was $12.28. I used $4 off your purchase. And then I used my $5 reward buck and my $4 reward buck from my first purchase. I believe that's what I did. In the end, with tax, I thought this was supposed to be free, whatever. It came out to 58 cents. I don't know, maybe my math got messed up, or maybe I did use a $2 reward instead of a $4. I don't know, but in the end, that's what I spent, was 58 cents. That's not a bad day for these 3 items. Now, like I said, that Nivea gave me $4 in reward bucks, and I still had a 2 reward bucks somehow in all this. So I had $6 in reward bucks. So I was like, okay, what can I buy that is cheap? Obviously, I could try to keep rolling it, but at a certain point, I had been in the store for a while. I'd been there like an hour at this point, struggling to put deals together. So I needed to wrap it up. So I went over and I was like, you know what? We're going to check out cereal, because I believe on Ibotta, I think it's 50 cents back and 50 cents back, I think. So I'm excited for that because I really want to get some Ibotta points going. I'm at 2 out of 3 on CVS, and once I hit that 3rd one, I'll get 5 CVS bucks, or $5 for CVS. So anywho, I really want to ring something in for CVS. These original price, which is absolutely insane, are $7.59. They were on sale for $1.99. That's why I got this cereal specifically. I went to ring up, and I was thinking there would be tax, and I didn't want to spend any more cash. So I only got 2 of them, $1.99, $1.99. They ring up at $3.98, total. So I paid him my $4 reward bucks. I still had the $2 one. I panicked in the moment, and I just ended up leaving. I couldn't think of anything that was cheap. Could have got another one of these, obviously. So maybe later I'll run back in and go get one of these for $1.99 and use that $2 reward bucks. Why not? I mean, I can't use those reward bucks on my other account. You know, they're specific to your account. So it's $2 I'm leaving on the table if I don't run back in the store. We will see. So I got these for free today. They rolled from my other transaction. All right, so today I got 8 items. All right, we got the makeup, we got like eyeshadow, makeup remover, the lip gloss thingy, lip balm. We got 2 nail files. We got the giant body wash, and we got the 2 cereals. So we got 8 items in cash today. What did I spend grand total? $14.89. I said 8 items. 8 items, put them at $2 a pop. That would be $16. So I paid less than $2 an item for all of these items. Cereal obviously is going to get used up, and we're going to enjoy that. Everything else does have a purpose and will get used up at some point in our household. So I'm really excited about this. I was a little nervous, a little bit stressed trying to do 3 transactions, and I didn't really go in with a plan. I wasted a ton of time at the store today, and that was also a little bit frustrating. I mean, it was an hour to an hour and 15 I was in there just trying to figure out how to get the best deal. I had all these paper coupons printing out, you know, 3 off 12 for oral care, like 40% off this kind of deodorant. I just didn't know what I wanted to get today, and I was a little bit stressed. Honestly, I wanted to get makeup brushes, but the ones that were the really good deal, they didn't carry. So that was a little bit frustrating as well. I'm doing my best. I'm trying to figure this out. Like I said, I spent less than $15 in cash today. I got 8 items that my family is going to use. So I hope you're enjoying my CVS journey. I know these videos are flooding my channel, but I'm just really enjoying it. All right, this might be my new addiction. So stay tuned for the next one. Until then, check out some other stuff on my channel and have a wonderful day. I just want to jump on here real quick and say I ran back to CVS, used those final 2 reward bucks, and got another $1.99 cereal for free. Okay, couldn't resist it. It's right near where my kid goes to daycare, preschool. So picked them up, ran into CVS, and I did go ahead and use it. So got this for free. Didn't want to miss the opportunity. I do want to also say I did submit my first receipt to Ibotta where I bought 2 of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and I got $1 back. I think it might have been a limit of 2 because I tried doing it for this 3rd one and it is not working. So I did get $1 back on those cereals from Ibotta, which of course is great.